my cleaning solution inside the bowl of the toilet because I want that to take as long as possible to work its magic. Use your favorite cleaner to do this. I happen to like the kind that have a nozzle like this with a little bit of a gel. I feel like it clings to the toilet pretty well and it does a good job in cleaning. So we're just going to squirt it all the way around like that. Next thing is I'm going to take my toilet scrubber, my toilet brush, and I'm just going to work my way all the way around. This toilet's been neglected for a little too long. Here's a neat little trick. Let your toilet scrubber dry off. Just let it drip dry. Put the seat down like that. Now, we're just going to let that sit for a minute and work as much of its magic as it can while I clean the rest of the toilet. While I'm waiting for that to soak and let all of the cleaning products do its thing, I'm going to clean the rest of the toilet. I'm just going to take my favorite cleaner. Again, you know which one it is that I like. And I'm just going to spray it all over. And do not forget down here, especially if you have boys in your house, that place is always filled with crusty granules of urine. It's like a thick, crusty film. I know it's gross, but this is part of life. Always get right here too. For some reason, the drips go down the front of that toilet, and then don't forget your other side. One thing when my children are cleaning, they often forget the very top. It doesn't get really filthy, but it does get really dusty. So I'm going to put this seat down, and then I'm going to spray right there. Usually that's pretty bad. This toilet actually doesn't have much stuff right there. But usually a lot of the pee gets trapped right in there and it builds up. Now you're going to take your rag and wipe it down. Remember, always work from the top to the bottom. I'm actually just going to use a paper towel for this one. Sometimes I use a paper towel, sometimes I use a wash rag. It's totally up to you and what you would like to do. Don't forget this guy. It is filled with germs. It's pretty gross. Doesn't always look gross, but you know, every time they wiped and then they flushed, some of that got on that handle. Don't forget to wipe down the handle. And for some reason, this spot right here always gets splatter on it. Life hack. I keep my toilet plunger in the bottom of a cut up bleach bottle. It kind of helps contain anything that might be stuck on that guy. And I do keep a toilet plunger in every bathroom. There is nothing more embarrassing if a guest is using your bathroom and they might need a toilet plunger. I know they're unsightly, but I would rather my guests feel comfortable if they need it than to have an emergency. Okay, now we're going to lift this up and we're going to clean all of this spot. So you can see right here that has started to crystallize. It's like little uric acid crystals is what happens on there. It's like calcium crystals. They just build up in there. Just like they can actually build up in your belly too. Crazy thought. Now, I once had a toilet that was really bad, the toilet seat. It had been too long since somebody had seen to it when I moved into that house. And I tried to clean it and I tried to clean it, and it was just too much of the seat had been eaten away. So, what does any good cleaning lady do? She goes and buys a new toilet seat cover. That was a simple fix for me. On the toilet, and see how clean we got it. Okay, it's did pretty well. Now, we have this ring around here, which a lot of people get. It's often due to hard water in their system. Leaving the bathroom for too long, that's what this case is. There's a couple of different factors that would cause that. And then the way we get rid of that, a special scouring stick. I have my scouring stick, which is basically like a pumice stone. And you do have to get it wet. So I just get it wet with the toilet water. And then you just scrub away at it, and you can see already, look, that line is gone on that side. Alright, so the stuff you see there is the residual bits of the pumice stone. You see I have scrubbed that away and it has worn that down a little bit. That's fine. These are really inexpensive. They're like $1 for a pumice stone. So, and one lasts you a long time. Now, if you really need to, and I'm going to flush and make sure